In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Lovable account with GitHub and sync your projects so that all your code is automatically pushed to a GitHub repository. If you do not already have a Lovable account, you can use the first link in the description to create a brand new account. By signing up through that link, you will receive 25 credits completely for free, which you can use to build your first projects. Once you have signed in, you will see a dashboard like this. To connect GitHub, first click on your organization name on the left-hand side. Then click on the drop-down menu and select Settings. Over here, scroll to the Build and Deploy section and click on Git. You will now see the GitHub integration settings. Click on GitHub and then click on Add Connection. Before proceeding, make sure that you are already logged in to your GitHub account in another browser tab. This makes the connection process much faster and helps avoid unnecessary login prompts. Once you are logged into GitHub, come back to Lovable and click on Add Account. Lovable will automatically detect the GitHub account that is currently signed in. You will now be taken to the GitHub authorization page. Scroll down and review the permissions. Once you are ready, click on Install and Authorize. Wait a few moments while Lovable and GitHub establish the connection. Once the process is complete, your GitHub account will be successfully linked to Lovable. Now that the integration is set up, let's connect one of our projects. Go back to the dashboard and open the project that you want to sync with GitHub. For this tutorial, I will use a simple application that I created earlier. After opening the project, click on the project name in the top left corner. Then open the drop-down menu and select Settings. Inside the Project section, click on Git and then choose GitHub. You will now see the option to connect this project to the GitHub account that we linked a few moments ago. Click on Connect and wait for a few seconds. Lovable will automatically create a new GitHub repository using your project's name and upload the entire codebase to that repository. Once the process is finished, you can click on View on GitHub to open the repository directly. Over there, you will be able to see all of your project files, source code, and repository details. So this is how you can connect your Lovable account to GitHub and sync your Lovable projects with a GitHub repository. If you want to know how to get a discount on Lovable pricing plans, then check out this video right here.